Imagine holding a machine in the palm of your hand that is legitimately faster than the massive, power-hungry desktop tower you bought just a couple of years ago. A machine so small it virtually disappears on your desk, yet so ridiculously powerful that it makes professional 8K video editing, heavy 3D rendering, and local AI model execution look like absolute child's play. For years, the tech industry has been playing a game of incremental updates. A 10% speed boost here, a slightly more efficient thermal design there, a glossy new coat of paint to justify a higher price tag. But every once in a while, a shift happens that completely rewrites the rules of personal computing. We saw it when Apple first transitioned to their own silicon. And now we are seeing it again, but on a scale that nobody quite anticipated. This is the story of the Apple Mac Mini M5. A machine that isn't just an upgrade, it is a declaration. It is the ultimate expression of what happens when you strip away the bloat, optimize every single millimeter of hardware, and unleash a chip that seems to defy the laws of physics. If you are watching this, you probably fall into one of two camps. Either you are holding on to an older Intel Mac, wondering if it is finally time to let go, or you are looking at your current M-series machine, trying to figure out if the M5 is actually worth your hard-earned money, or if it's just marketing hype. To truly understand what makes the Mac Mini M5 a paradigm shift, we have to look at the silicon itself. The M5 architecture isn't just about throwing more transistors at the problem. It's about how those transistors talk to each other. Apple has redesigned the unified memory architecture, pushing bandwidths to limits that previously required massive, expensive workstation motherboards. When you boot up a machine like this, the first thing you notice is the absolute, eerie silence. There is no jet engine fan noise spinning up the moment you open a couple of browser tabs. In fact, even under sustained, heavy workloads, the thermal management is so incredibly efficient that you begin to wonder if the fan is even plugged in. It is. But it barely needs to work because the efficiency per watt on the M5 chip is simply unprecedented. Let's talk about what this actually means for your daily life, because benchmarking scores don't mean anything if they don't translate to real-world usability. If you are a creator, a developer, a designer, or even someone who just demands a seamless, zero-lag experience, the M5 changes the tempo of your day. Think about the micro moments of friction you encounter every single day. The half-second delay when opening a massive spreadsheet, the stutter when scrubbing through a high bitrate video timeline, the loading wheel of death when compiling code. We have trained ourselves to accept these little pauses as a normal part of working with computers. The Mac Mini M5 eliminates them. It turns computing into an extension of your thought process. You click and it happens. Instantly. But there is a deeper, more disruptive story here. It's the rise of localized artificial intelligence. Up until now, running powerful AI models meant relying on massive cloud servers, paying monthly subscription fees, and worrying about whether your private data was being harvested to train someone else's neural network. The M5 changes that dynamic entirely. With its massive, upgraded neural engine and lightning-fast unified memory, this tiny desktop is fully capable of running incredibly complex AI models locally, completely offline, at speeds that will make your jaw drop. Your data stays on your machine, under your control, processed in